I know this might be happening with a lot of you. You sit down to work, and suddenly your phone buzzes. And 30 minutes later, you're watching cat videos, wondering where the time went. Stick around, because today we're learning tools that actually work to help you focus. And trust me, tool number 4 has the biggest impact with the least amount of effort. My name's Alex, and I have a serious focus problem. Right now, I should be finishing this homework, but my brain just won't cooperate. A notification, and another. And suddenly, it's been an hour and I've done nothing. I've tried everything. Willpower, schedules, even hiding my phone under my pillow. Nothing works. But today, Brainy and Hardy promised they could help. They said something about factories? I don't get it, but it sounded interesting.
Alex, I heard you call for help. And let me tell you, your focus problem isn't about willpower at all.
It's not? Then why can't I focus for more than 30 seconds?
Because your attention is a factory. And right now, your factory is a disaster zone.
My attention is a factory? Brainy, I think you've been in the lab too long.
Hear me out. Raw materials go in, that's your homework. Machinery processes them, that's your focus. Finished products come out, that's learning. A well-run factory is smooth and efficient. But your factory? Constant interruptions, workers confused, machinery breaking down.
And I'm here too! Because focus isn't just about brains, it's about feelings too!
Feelings? What do emotions have to do with homework?
Everything! When you're stressed, worried, or overwhelmed, your focus factory runs on broken machinery.
Hardy is right. Emotional fatigue is one of the biggest focus killers. Your brain literally can't focus when it's flooded with stress chemicals.
So when I'm anxious about a test, my brain is basically broken?
Not broken, just overwhelmed. And that's what we're here to fix, together!
Okay, back to the factory. Imagine an assembly line with 3 stations. Read, understand, and remember. Materials flow smoothly from station to station in a good factory. Homework goes in, learning comes out. Beautiful.
Okay, I'm following. So when I'm focused, my factory is running smoothly.
Exactly! Maximum efficiency! You're in the zone, as they say.
But that almost never happens to me. So what's breaking my factory?
The 3 enemies. Enemy number 1 is distractions. It includes phones, notifications, random thoughts, your brother playing music.
Okay, you definitely know my brother. He's loud.
And internal distractions count too. Worry thoughts, stress, that nagging feeling you forgot something.
Every single distraction trips your factory's circuit breaker. And here's the killer. After 1 interruption, your factory needs 23 minutes to get back to full speed.
23 minutes? Ugh, I check my phone like 50 times a day.
Enemy number 2, multitasking. The biggest myth in productivity history.
Wait, but multitasking makes me more productive, right? I can watch TV and do homework.
Nope. Your brain cannot actually do 2 things at once. It switches rapidly between tasks.
And every switch costs mental energy. By the end, you're exhausted and your homework is half done.
Studies show multitasking makes you slower with more mistakes. You're not efficient, you're just busy.
So watching TV while studying is actually making everything worse?
Enemy number 3, fatigue. It can be of different types. Mental fatigue, physical fatigue, emotional fatigue.
This one hits different. You can fight distractions. You can stop multitasking. But fatigue is your factory running out of fuel.
Okay, you're describing my 10 p.m. homework sessions perfectly.
Tired factories produce low-quality products. Tired brains produce, well, messy homework and zero learning.
When you're exhausted, your brain runs at like 10% capacity. You're basically trying to run a factory with no electricity.
So trying to focus when I'm tired is pointless.
Not pointless, just poorly timed. And that's where our tools come in.
6 factory upgrades. 6 tools that will transform your focus forever.
Okay, I'm ready. Give me the tools. All of them.
Tool number 1 is simple but powerful. Tool number 4, that's the game changer. Least effort, biggest impact.
But you have to actually try them. No skipping.
Deal. Hit me with tool number 1.
Tool number 1, single tasking. One thing at a time. That's it.
That sounds too simple. Just do one thing.
Try it for 25 minutes. Keep your phone in another room and put a timer of 25 minutes in it. One task, one timer. That's a focus sprint.
It's called the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes work, 5 minutes break. Anyone can do 25 minutes.
Even me? Even with my squirrel brain?
Especially you. Your brain needs short, achievable goals. 25 minutes is perfect.
Tool number 2, batch your distractions.
Batch them? Like, put them in a container?
Kind of. Instead of checking notifications constantly, schedule specific time.
3:30 p.m., 5 p.m., 7 p.m. Whatever works for you, but not every 30 seconds.
So notifications wait for me, not the other way around?
Exactly. They stack up patiently until your scheduled time. You're the boss of your notifications. Tool number 3. Design your environment for focus.
You mean this disaster zone?
Exactly. A messy environment creates a messy mind. Clean desk equals clean focus.
Phone in another room. Have only what you need on your desk. Some water nearby. Good lighting.
Your environment either fights your focus or helps it. Which one does yours do?
Mine definitely fights it. Okay, desk cleaning starts today.
And now, tool number 4. The one you've been waiting for.
The one with the biggest impact and least effort.
Tell me, I need this.
Tool number 4. Know your energy peaks and work with them, not against them.
Think about, when are you naturally most focused? That's the time when your energy peaks. Morning? Afternoon? Right after school?
Actually, I focus best right after school. Not late at night when I usually do homework.
Tool 5. Warm up your brain before focusing. Review notes, do easy questions first.
Like stretching before a run?
Exactly. Factories don't start at full speed. Neither should you.
And tool 6, quality breaks. Not phone scrolling, real rest.
What counts as a real break?
Walk, stretch, hydrate, look out a window. Your factory needs real maintenance, not just different work.
Okay, phone away. Desk clean. Timer sets for 25 minutes. Let's try this. I can't believe it. 25 minutes of actual focus. I got so much done.
That's the power of an optimized factory. Now that you are done, you should take a quality break. Walk, stretch, celebrate.
You try this too at home. Use the 6 tools you learned in this video to optimize your focus factory. And remember, tool number 4, energy peaks? That one's free. No equipment needed. Just awareness. Work with your energy, not against it. That's the biggest lesson. And be kind to yourself. Even the best factories have off days. Just restart the line. Your focus factory is waiting. Time to optimize. See you next time.